Hey guys, it's John from Lowyat. Today we'll be taking a quick look at the OnePlus 8, one of the two smartphones announced by the brand last month. OnePlus is clearly going all out with its new flagship series. Regardless of model, both the OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro both come packaged in this gorgeous and well-designed box. Inside the box, you'll find that the OnePlus 8 comes packaged with several items. The first is a book that details its design and components. Digging deeper, the box also contains two special phone cases. In our case, our box came with a cyan sandstone bumper case and a black nylon bumper case. Last but not least, we have the OnePlus 8, packaged neatly in its own bright red box, complete with the warp charge power plug and proprietary cable. One thing we should make note of is that our unit, and all other OnePlus 8 units for that matter, are 5G ready and can be activated within the phone's settings. Specs wise, the OnePlus 8 comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset, up to 12 gigs of LPDDR4X RAM, between 128 gigs and 256 gigs of UFS 3.0 internal storage, and a 4300 mAh battery. A battery that, by the way, supports OnePlus's Warp Charge 30T fast charging technology. On the outside, the OnePlus 8 flaunts a 6.55-inch Fluid AMOLED display with a maximum refresh rate of 90Hz. There's also a punch hole cutout at the top left, housing a 16-megapixel Sony IMX471 sensor, instead of a motorized pop-up selfie that OnePlus chose to adopt with the OnePlus 7 Pro. On the subject of cameras, the OnePlus 8 sports a triple camera main array comprising a 48-megapixel Sony IMX586 main shooter, a 16-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel macro lens. Like the OnePlus 7 series, the OnePlus 8 lacks a 3.5mm headphone jack, meaning that the headphone output, file transfer, and wired charging is conducted via the onboard USB-C port at the base of the phone. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that was a quick look at the OnePlus 8 Pro here at Lowyat. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.